Right, I've turned the lights off so you'll be able to see the computer screen better, but this is a little veroboard with an AT89S52 on it, and it's running basic, MCS-BASIC. It's also got a little EEPROM there, I2C EEPROM, and it's got an LED on P3.2, and it's wired up the usual way so that the RAM appears in both the code space and the X data space. So really what I was going to show you is a little serial terminal thing I've written, because it's a nice basic, but it hasn't got very good line editing, so I've written this thing. So hope you'll be able to read that. It gives you a little bit of help when you start. So you have to do some spaces for the board to auto detect, and we're into basic. So the first thing that's useful is this line editor, so you can use the normal cursor keys. So if I do 10, I don't know, print 3 plus 8, and I can use the cursor keys to go back and forward and maybe change that to 6 and press enter, and it's accepted that now. And I'll do 20, print, make a mistake, hello, and so that's gone in. I can list the program and see that I've got a mistake on line 20, and there's a history buffer. So if I press the cursor up key, you can see the keys I've previously typed, the lines I've previously typed. I'm going up and down there, and I can go back and fix that. List it again. That looks okay, so we'll run that. So that's the first thing that's useful. Then if you want to send it a file, I'll just do new. You do \I and the name of the file you want to send it. So I've done one called blink.bas. That can you see that? Sorry, I've gone off the bottom of the screen, haven't I? So I've done \I blink.bas. When I press enter, it'll upload that file to the basic for me. And there it goes. And it paces it by waiting for the prompt to appear, so you don't have to put any padding delays in or anything. So as I say, this has got an LED on P3.2, which isn't normally accessible from MCS-BASIC. So I've had to do a tiny little machine code bit. You can see it's on the REMs on line 10. It's just 3 bytes to say, there's 3 bytes that say set 3.2, which will turn the LED off, and then another 3 bytes that will turn it on, and they get called on line 120. So if I run that, it's set to go up until time equals 20, but I've set the crystal at half the real crystal speed, so it'll actually only run for 5 seconds. So I'll start it going, and if we have a look there, we can see the thing blinking away, and after 10 blinks, 5 seconds, or it stopped, and we're back to a run prompt. So that's it really. It's written in Python. I'm running it on Linux. Probably get it to work on Windows as well if anyone's interested. Okay, thanks for watching.